Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be trying a HASK. That's hair mask put together. So this is the hair mask I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using it on Leia because it says Keratin Protein No-frizz hair. And this is the first time using it. So it says to apply evenly on wet hair. Apply evenly on wet hair, massage thoroughly to the ends, leave on hair for 2 to 3 minutes, and then just rinse thoroughly. So I'm going to try that. I see that in the camera. Buddy. This is crazy. I cannot get this out. Oh my. Oh, there, it's coming. Zooming out. Oh boy, this one, I'm gonna have to cut off your hair again. Just kidding. I wouldn't do that. Only a professional should do that. Okay. Okay, so this is her hair. And I'm gonna wet it. So I'm just gonna wet her hair. I gotta wet your hair like I'm giving you a bath. Okay, turn her on this way then. Turn her on this way. Ready? Lean forward. Yeah. There, here. Put that underneath, all the way down. I'm gonna put this. Don't worry. Hold on to your hair, okay? Okay. There you go. Okay. I know you feel it, yeah?
I love you.
Okay. Lean a little bit more forward. Go a little bit more down. There we go. Okay, I love you too. Okay, so now it's wet.
What did you do?
Your hair is now wet. Okay.
I don't expect not much.
Here, wipe your face. Okay? Alright.
Look what she did to me!
So this is the keratin. We're gonna put it on.
I want to open it. Like this over here?
Yeah, try. I don't even know where to open it, but I'm sure there's a way to open it. At least open some of it. Okay. So, this is what it looks like. It's like white. It's white.
Wait, Mommy, you can just put it on.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on, okay? So turn around. I'm gonna put this on her hair. So I don't know. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, I'm gonna put this all over your hair. They said to put it thoroughly on wet hair, especially the ends. They said to especially do it on the ends. So I was thinking of doing half, but I think I should do all of it now. Over here, gotta like do the ends here. Look at that. So now she's done. I'm gonna put it in this the moisture. 2 minutes, right?
Okay.
Okay, there. Okay, so we just got done with putting that on her hair. I'm gonna put some on my hair too. Right here. I still got some on my hands. I'm gonna put it on. And we're just gonna wait about 2 to 3 minutes and then we're gonna have to rinse it off. Okay, so it's been about 2 to 3 minutes, maybe more. But it's time to rinse out her hair.
Here we go again. Get the bucket, Mommy.
Yeah. Okay, lean forward. Lean forward a little bit more down. There you go. Ooh, your hair is so soft. There.
I'm alive.
You are. Okay, I got you. Looks good. but it's wet, so we have to kind of dry it up a little bit. Okay, so this is what it looks like when we rinsed it off. Now we just have to wait. Now we just have to wait for it to dry. So this is her ends. I don't know if it makes a difference, but her hair does feel softer. So that's how we did the hask on Leia's hair. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks y'all for watching. Say bye-bye.
Mwah.
Mwah. Oh, and here is a photo of Leia's before and after.